Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. All praise is to Almighty Allah. Today I am going to present a tutorial on function. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will cover two topics about function. The first is a definition of function and the second is an identification of the policy to justify a function. Before giving the definition of a function, I want to give some key points for defining a function. We need two non-empty sets, say A and B. Then we will establish a rule of correspondence between the elements of sets A and B. The rule is that for each element of A, there exists a unique element of B. If this happens, we will say the rule is a function. Now, I show you the formal definition of the function on the screen, which I already disclosed with some key points. It is noted that the set A is called domain and the set B is called the codomain of the function. This slide is about identifying policy to justify a function. As you can see on the screen, there are some relationship between two non-empty sets A and B, where the elements of A are P, Q, and R, and the elements of B are A, B, and C. Here I established four types of rules between the elements of A and B. Can you find which functions and which are not? Okay, I give you a clue. You can relate this to the relationship between a mother and a child. You know, a child has only one mother. There are no more options. In figure 1, if we compare the elements of A as children and the elements of B as mothers, we see every child has a unique mother in this relation and easily say this relation is true and is a function. Similarly, in figure 2, we see every child has a unique mother. It is also possible that a mother has two children, so type 2 is also a function. Figure 3 is not a function because the child Q has no mother in this relationship, which is not possible in reality. Figure 4 is also not a function. Here we see the child R has two mothers A and C, which is impossible. I hope you can understand. Now you can see the answers on the right side of the screen, which shows number 1 and number 2 are function and number 3 and number 4 are not functions. That's it. That's my tutorial on function. If you have any questions about today's topic, please feel free to ask in the comment section or using the given email. Thank you, everyone.